What is going on, everybody? I am back on YouTube. This video today is going to be me doing a high bald fade on my homie Travis. Follow him on Instagram, put it right here. Subscribe to his channel right here. Let's get to it. Right here I'm taking a number 2 guard and I'm going around the whole head because he wanted a number 2, so we're keeping it really tight and short. Right here I'm grabbing my Babulous trimmers and making my first guideline, and you want to start where the box ends and you want to go wrap that around his whole head. Right here I'm taking my Babulous Pro shavers and shaving it down skin bald. Now with my Babulous Pro FXs, I am going no guard, lever closed, and I'm going up about a ½ inch. Now on my clippers it says 0.5, but that's the same thing as a 0, and you want to take that lever closed and go up about another ½ inch. Right here we're going no guard, lever open, and we're going to knock off that line in the middle. Usually that line won't fade out as much, so we're going to take the lever, move it towards the middle, and try flicking it out again. And for some finishing touches, I like to go lever close and flick it out even more. Now we're taking our number 1 guard with our lever closed, and we're going to fade it up more to the top. Now we're going to take our 0 guard and have it fade more into our number 1 guard. And me being all nitpicky, I like to go no guard, lever open, and flick out any dark spots that I see. And to finish off the fade, I'm taking my trimmers and I'm going to knock out that line right there. Now I still see that line, so I'm going to take my shavers and I'm going to flick at it. Don't go on it, flick at it. Now with the back of the head, I don't know why, but sometimes it's really darker than the sides, so you really have to put in more work. Usually the back is the same routine as the sides, but in some cases you have to switch it up a bit. Right here, I'm really trying to knock off this dark line first so that I don't have to worry about it later. Now fading around the cowlick is kind of hard, so make sure you go against the grain where the cowlick is forming. Now with the other side, it's exactly the same thing, so repeat the process and it'll look clean. Don't worry about it. Lining up this man's hair was so easy. I tapped it and it was crisp, easy like that. But sometimes you really have to work with it and be careful. Make sure you have a steady hand. Now I cannot stress this enough, you have to pull back the skin as you're using the straight blade so you don't cut your client. Now, as you can tell, this man was looking like a straight bum. Look at him now, bruh. Chin up, feeling confident. Look at him, feeling himself, bruh. Come on. Thank you guys for watching that video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Follow me on Instagram. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.